Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our wonderful listeners. It's great to be here with you.
Hi, Paul. How are you today?
I'm very happy today. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day. How about you, Emily?
I'm great, thank you. And I'm really excited for our topic today. It's a very helpful one.
Oh, yes. Very important for all our friends learning English. So, what are we talking about today?
We are talking about tips for a good English student life. Fun and easy tips.
I love that. Not hard tips, but easy and fun ones. That's what Mr. English Podcast is all about.
Exactly. But before we start, we have a small request for everyone listening.
Yes, please take a moment to click the like button. It really helps us a lot.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Mr. English Podcast, so you don't miss our new episodes.
And please share with your friends who are also learning English.
Sharing is caring.
Yes, it is. Okay, are you ready, Emily?
I'm ready. Let's help our friends. What's the first tip for a good English student life?
The first tip is have a special place to study.
A special place. What do you mean? Like a secret room?
No, not a secret room, just a good, comfortable place, like a desk or a table.
Ah, I see. So not studying on the bed.
Exactly. The bed is for sleeping, and a table is for studying. It helps your brain know it's time to learn.
That's a great idea. A study table. And what about the things on the table?
Good question. You should have your things ready. Your English book, your notebook, and a pen, so you don't need to get up and look for them.
Perfect. Everything ready for learning. And one more thing. Your place should be quiet.
Oh, yes. Quiet is very important. No TV, no loud music, no noisy siblings playing nearby.
Right. A quiet corner helps your brain focus and learn better.
So that's our first tip. A clean, quiet study space with all your things ready.
Okay, so you have your study place. Now what's next?
Tip number 2. Have a study time.
A study time? Like a schedule?
Yes, exactly. A simple plan for your day or week. For example, every day at 4 p.m., you study English.
I like that. It becomes a routine, like brushing your teeth.
Exactly. It becomes a habit, a good habit.
Does it need to be a long time? Like 2 hours?
Oh, no. That's too long. Just 15 or 20 minutes a day is fantastic.
Wow. Only 15 minutes?
Yes, 15 minutes every day is much better than studying for hours once a week.
That makes sense. A little bit every day keeps your brain active.
Yes, small and steady wins the race.
Okay. What's tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is make it fun.
Oh, yes. Learning should be fun. If it's not fun, you don't want to do it.
Exactly. So, how can we make English learning fun?
use colors in your notebook. I love using color pens. Red for new words, blue for questions.
That's a great idea. It makes your notebook look bright and happy.
And you can listen to English songs. Music helps you learn new words and pronunciation.
Yes, even sing along, even if you're not a great singer.
Especially if you're not a great singer. Just have fun with it.
And watch movies or cartoons in English. Start with simple ones for children. The pictures help you understand.
Yes, fun is the key. When learning feels like playing, it's much easier.
Now, tip number 4. This is a big one.
Be patient and don't be afraid of mistakes.
Yes, learning a language takes time. It's not a race.
You will not be perfect in 1 week, and that's totally okay.
Exactly. Mistakes are your friends.
Your friends?
Yes, when you make a mistake, you learn something new. You remember the correct way next time.
That's a beautiful way to think about it. Hello, mistake. Thank you for the lesson.
I love that. So don't be shy. Speak, write, and learn from your mistakes.
Okay, next tip. Use a notebook.
A simple notebook. Just for English.
Yes, write new words, short sentences, even draw pictures.
For example, if you learn the word happy, write a sentence. I am happy.
And draw a smiley face next to it.
Exactly. Your notebook becomes your personal English dictionary.
And it feels great to see how many words you've learned over time.
Now, tip 6. Practice a little every day.
Ah, yes. Small steps every day.
You don't need to study grammar for hours. Just do something small. Learn one new word, watch a short video, or change your phone to English for 10 minutes.
I love that idea. Even saying good morning to a friend in English helps.
Exactly. Little drops every day fill the big English bucket.
That's such a great image. Your English bucket. Every small word adds up.
Okay, last one. Tip number 7.
Find a study friend.
Yes, learning with a friend is so much more fun.
You can practice together, help each other, and even laugh at your mistakes.
Yes, and if you feel lazy one day, your friend can motivate you. Come on, let's learn 5 new words together.
Exactly. You are Team English.
Team English, I love that. Okay, that was 7 great tips. Let's do a quick review.
1. Have a special quiet place to study. 2. Have a study time, even just 15 minutes a day. 3. Make it fun with colors, music, and games. 4. Be patient and don't be afraid of mistakes. 5. Use a notebook for new words and sentences. 6. Practice a little every day. Small steps. 7. Find a study friend. Team English. That was wonderful, Paul. I feel so motivated now.
Me too. These tips are not about being a perfect student, but about being a happy student.
Exactly. A happy and relaxed English learner learns faster and better.
Well, our time is almost up for today.
Thank you so much for listening, everyone. We hope these tips help you on your English journey.
And don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Podcast and share this episode with your study friend.
Yes. And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite tip from today?
We love reading your comments. They really make us smile.
So, until next time, keep practicing and have fun.
That's right. Thank you for listening.
Bye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.